Hello everyone, welcome to Kanishta Coders. In today's class, we are going to make a very special name-based size different as well as color different game. Okay, it's going to be very special. So let's see what we have for you. First, open the MIT Scratch. After opening it, I will then click and remove this cat from here. Now I am going to go to the sprite, but we are going to make our own sprite. So let's see over here. You just click on the option paint. Then what you have to do, take this text here, click it over here. Let me type the name as AHIL. Okay, and then I can change the color also if I want to keep any of the colors. Whichever you want to set, you can set it according to your own wish. Okay, once you set it, you can also change its uh, font the way you want to write it. You can change the font size, you can change the font, everything you can change as per your own customization. Okay, if you want a circle also, make a circle. Then if you want to change the color also, let me just make it little bit customizable like this and take it backward. So now the word Sahil comes in front and this circle goes in the back like this. So I have made a logo like this. I hope you like it. Yes, you can make your own logo like this. And after that, what are you going to do? If you want to change some backdrop, put some nice background behind it so it looks really cool. Okay, so let's do it like this light one. Perfect. Now after this we are in the costume section. Now what you have to do, you have to click on this code and then you have to take into consideration which one, the events. Click on this events and then take this button which says when space key pressed and changed it to when S for Sahil is pressed. So you check it, you get S for Sahil is there. Now you can go to the option which says, means what does this when S key pressed means कि जब हम S की अपने कीबोर्ड से प्रेस करेंगे तो कुछ होगा जो भी हम नीचे लगाएंगे उसके. So we are going to go to controls or we are going to go to forever. After going here, up now you can go to the option which says uh, change good looks and then you will get change size by. So what will happen, we are going to change a size randomly. So now look, if I make it minus 50 and 50, so what does it mean? It will sometime become very small, sometime big, sometime very small, sometime big. So it's going to change like in very big like 50, then a little bit small, very small. Means right now the size of this is 100. So it can go to 50 because it says minus 50. So 100 minus 50. It's going to go to 50 and 100 plus 50, 150. The size is going to range between 50 and 150. Okay, and now I am going to choose a very uh, important you can say option which is available. To select that option we have to search for the option that says glide. Okay, let's go to motion and search for glide option. That where is the glide option? Here it is, the glide option. So you're going to take this glide option and change it to mouse pointer. What does this mean, change it to mouse pointer? मैं जहाँ जहाँ अपना माउस का पॉइंटर घुमाऊंगा ये साहिल भी वहीं पर ही मूव करेगा, करेक्ट। और मैं चाहता हूँ इसका कलर भी चेंज हो। पहले हम इतना करके देख लेते हैं। लेट्स क्लिक ऑन दिस ग्रीन कलर रन बटन एंड देन व्हाट आई हैव टू प्रेस एस। देखिए, अब जहाँ पे मेरा माउस पॉइंटर जा रहा है, दिस इज फॉलोइंग मी, दिस इज फॉलोइंग मी वेयर एवर माई माउस पॉइंटर इज गोइंग। ओके, ये देखिए, wherever my mouse pointer is going, this is also moving in that way, and its size is also changing, sometime becoming big, sometime becoming small. So I hope you guys are enjoying it like this which we have made. Okay, we can also go over here and then change this, change the color effect. Okay, and we can make it random, change the color effect also to random. So the color range from 0 to 360. The color hue, the color ranges from 0 to 360. Okay, let me just make it full screen, and now you can guys can experience it. How beautiful it is looking. Its size is also changing. It is following my mouse pointer, and also what is happening. Look, it became so small. Oh, very good. It's looking excellent. Following a mouse pointer as well as changing its color and size. So, in today's activity, you learned so much. You learned how we can make our own sprite. We made this Sahil as our own sprite. We learned how we can use this when key pressed. You learned how we can change the size. You can check how we can make this sprite move following us uh, by by using the glide option, and you also learned how to change the color. So I hope this activity is clear to you. Make sure you watch this video again if it is not clear to you. ठीक है? So just remember, अगर आपको अपना स्प्राइट बनाना होता है, आप चूज स्प्राइट पे जाके पेंट ऑप्शन में जाके यहाँ पे अपना स्प्राइट को क्रिएट करते हो। उसके बाद आप कोड सेक्शन में वापस जाते हो। So I hope that's clear to everyone. I hope you enjoyed making this very special thing. Have a nice day. God bless you all and keep loving Kanishta coders.